Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today, we have another exciting home update video. I have a really cool furniture piece that I want to show you all, and by the end of this video, you're going to be in love with it as well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a special space in my home that I don't think you've seen a lot of. This room is what I like to call my third living room, my movie room, or my theater room. I started setting this space up a while back, and I have been slowly and patiently curating the best furniture pieces for the room. So I was super excited when All Living Home contacted me and wanted to work with me, because I have been working on my movie room for a little bit. And I do have a couch from my main living room that I transferred down here, and a lot of you have been asking where that couch went. Well, today I'm going to show you that. And the reason I bring that up is because that couch pairs so nicely with my new reclining couch from All Living Home. First thing first, the transaction was very easy. All you have to do is go to their website, which I'll link in the description box below, choose the fabric, the color, and the style that you want, put in your correct address, and they'll ship it right to your door. And one of the best parts about this couch is that assembly is a breeze. It takes minutes to put it together. The quality is top tier, and the look gives luxury, and you'll get to see that here in a minute. So a few things about the new couch is that this is electric recline. So once you put your couch together, all you have to do is plug it in, and the magic starts from there. My first and most favorite thing about the couch is that the recliner does not need wall space. That means you can push your couch all the way to the wall and then press the reclining button, and the couch will recline fully without needing any wall space. It's not going to scratch your wall, and most importantly, it's not going to take up space. So you can basically do a full recline without the back of the couch hitting the wall. It stays in place and it doesn't move. Another great thing about the couch is that this material is so functional. It's scratch-free. You can pour anything you want on it, and all you have to do is wipe it off. And it's also wrinkle-free. So for those of you who have messy kids or even pets, cleaning this couch is a breeze, which is one of the main reasons I chose to bring it in the movie room, because we use this room a lot. Another cool thing about the couch is that it has built-in USB-C and USB-A cord, which means you can charge all of your devices and never have to get up out of your couch. One more cool thing is that the couch has its own pocket, so you can keep everything in it, from the remote to a snack you're hiding, to your phone, to just anything you want to keep close to you while you're on the couch. The stitching on the couch is impeccable. It's so beautiful and it's high quality. Just the look of the couch is giving expensive, but you'll be surprised that this is actually on a budget. The couch is also a modular setup, which means you can mix and match. You can get only 2 pieces, or like a 2-seater. You can get a 3-seater, or even a 4-seater. Not only that, you can choose the functions that you want your couch to have. Some of them come with massage, some of them come with the recliner on both ends. The options are endless. Once you're on the website, you can choose what you want in your couch. I wanted the 4-piece option because I have a big family. Another cool thing about the couch is that depending on the style you chose, the backs actually fold down. Not only that, when the back is folded down, it becomes a tray with 2 cup holders and a charging station. So we all know our devices are so important to us, and it's so important that they stay charged. So the couch gives you multiple options to keep your devices not only close to you, but fully charged and functioning. So during a movie night, we can sit here and have drinks as our phones are charging, as we're having conversations. Not only that, I can use the tray as a table for my laptop when I work. Y'all know that I work from everywhere in the house. And this couch has become one of my favorite places because I can just kick my feet up on the recliner, set my laptop down, make sure my phone is charging as I'm watching something on the TV, and as I work. For me, I have the 4-seater, but if I wanted to, I can remove the 2 middle seats, put the 2 end seats together, and create a love seat. Or I can remove only one of the middle seats and make it a smaller couch. The couch also comes in different colors and different fabrics. The couch is built by a very solid and steel frame, which means it's gonna support any weight. And one of the best part is that it feels good when you sit in it. Not only is it firm, it's also very comfortable. This, in my opinion, was made for lounging and things like watching movies and just hanging out with the family. Nadia and I love it down here now. We come down here and have dance parties and movie nights, and we just feel so fancy when we sit down here with our popcorn and our drinks, and we can get up and we can lay back down and recline. It has just been so beautiful. The couch, one thing I didn't get because I wanted a bigger couch, sometimes it comes with a massage option. Again, you can choose what you want. The massage option has a neck support, a back support, and as you sit in the chair, you can get a full massage. And that's probably the reason I didn't choose that one, because I would probably never get any work done if I got the massage option. The brand did an amazing job putting this couch together. The design, the look, and the style is just really, really nice. And it fits any home, whether you're using it in your living room, your family room, or your movie room like I am. It fits everywhere. With that said, I highly recommend you get one or two of these depending on how you want to set up your home. The color for me is everything, and I was able to pair it with my other couch that you all loved so much, and it just looks so amazing down here. But let me show you a little bit of how I set this couch up, and I can show you the entire space. And I want you all to let me know what you think about the family room or the movie room. Ask me any questions you have and I'll do my best to answer. And also, don't forget to check out the description box for all the little details about this couch. Thank you once again to All Living Home for sponsoring today's video, and thank you all for watching and supporting. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.